My name is Marty Ged, and I'm the managing attorney of Ged Lawyers. The next few slides are actual case results on clients that we represented throughout the years. It's just amazing when I look at these and look at the numbers and the stats of how much money we've collected. One of our cases, or one of our studies here, is a hospital system on the west coast of Florida where we handled over 10,000 claims over a period of time and collected $2.8 million. This is an engagement when the CFO of the hospital said to us, I don't think you're going to find any money. Our people do this great. And actually, at the end of the engagement, the CFO was ecstatic and could not believe how much money his billing people missed. And really, they didn't miss it because the billing people at the hospitals don't have, it's an unfair playing field. They don't have the advantage of understanding how the PIP works. They're billing so many different types of providers or carriers that they just don't have the understanding of all the nuances that affect how the bill should be paid. Next example is another local hospital that we've represented that we collected $2.1 million for, where we handled over 4,000 cases over a period of time for this client. Another client is a hospital in Western Florida, small local rural hospital, where we did over 4,000 claims for them and recovered over $1.6 million. And it's astonishing to me when you look at the aggregation of these claims and how much money they really are. In Florida in 2019, the PIP system was represented about $2 billion of medical payments. And if you think about it, if the insurance industry as a whole shaves off 10%, 15%, 20%, whatever the percentage you want to add to that, think about the money, the amount of money they're saving. And here at Ged Lawyers, although we're relatively mid-sized law firm with about 100 people, we're still a tiny little drop in the bucket as comparing to these insurance companies. And there's 41,000 medical providers in the state of Florida. So Ged Lawyers is, as much as we would love to represent everyone in the state, we don't. And our little group of PIP attorneys and PIP staff and PIP paralegals have collected a ton of money that, again, every day astonishes me with these results. The next one, this is an imaging company. This is a mom and pop imaging company with 2 locations in the state of Florida. They do probably 50% PIP, 50% non-PIP, just major med, traditional stuff. And over the years, we've collected $3.7 million for this client. And as of we speak here today, this is one of the happiest clients I've ever dealt with and still retained today. Another example, chiropractor. This is a chiropractor in Florida where he allowed us to come in and do a look back and to also do our go forward risk management or proactive risk management process, where we've collected over $870,000 for this gentleman. Again, when you look at the numbers on a yearly basis, this is the difference between being profitable sometimes for these medical providers and not being profitable. So it's real money, and it adds up when you aggregate all these claims. Another client, this is an orthopedic group, we collected over $850,000. So my point in showing all of these different case studies are, it doesn't matter whether you're a hospital, an MRI, a chiro, an ortho, a neuro. There's no distinction from the insurance company. They're going to underpay, delay, or deny your claim, which most likely you're going to have the proper representation to make sure your claims are protected and you're paid on time.